we will show how to delete multiple rows in Excel file. First of all, there is multiple ways. The way of deleting the rows at a time. I will show here two types or two ways how can we delete this. First of all, if you want to select the rows, if we have to select the rows here. For example, I am selecting 28 number row. Then if we want to select the multiple rows ups or down, so if I want to select the row down here, then we have to click shift key, then just click down area of the keyboard, then it will select continue. If I going to click this, uh, and here also if we want to click the above row also, then you have to just simply click the you have to first shift hold down the shift and then click the upper array of the keyboard. Here is one of the way. And if we want to select the range of the row, for example, if I want to select the here is the row number 24 to 40, for example, then we have to just select 24 first, then hold down shift key and select 40. In this way we can select in between range of 40 20 to 40. Here in this way we can select multiple rows in Excel file.